Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable the anti-malware service executable in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Let's get started. First, we're going to use Task Manager. All you need to do is right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. Once Task Manager is open, scroll down until you find something called Anti-Malware Service Executable. Right-click on it and then click on End Task. That will temporarily stop the process from running. Another way to do this is by disabling real-time protection. Here's how. Press the Windows key and the I key together to open Settings. From there, click on Update and Security. Then go to Windows Security and click on Open Windows Security. Next, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and click on Manage Settings. Here you'll see an option called Real-Time Protection. Simply switch this off, and that will disable it. And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.